This next combination is a variation on the Broadway step, or the 42nd Street step, or the Shirley Temple, or the Rockette, or the Alexander, whatever you call that flap heel, heel, spank heel, tip heel combination. This is a variation on that. We are basically going to add an extra heel drop. It can be a little tricky because you're going to go flap heel, 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 dropping the same heel of the foot that flapped first this time. So that muscle memory might get in the way, but keep working at it and get it in. So you've come up through Never Too Late in level 1. You've learned what I call the Rockette step, and what is more commonly probably called a Broadway or a Shirley Temple. It's a step that has a million different names. Every teacher I've ever had has called it something different. So I call it the Rockette step. We are going to take that and change it up a little bit. So you are going to start with the right foot, and you are going to not only do the flap on the right foot, but your right heel is going to drop first. Flap, heel, heel. So you're doing right, left. You're going to do that twice. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. Now, the third time, we're going to fill it out into a Rockette step, but we're still going to drop the right heel first and add an extra heel drop to it. So it'll be flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. So those heel drops are a little bit faster. So again, you have flap, right, left, right, spank, heel, tip, heel. Okay, so let's put that together. You go flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left side. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. Let's do just the left again. Flap, left, right, flap, left, right, flap, left, right, left, spank, heel, tip, heel. So remember, heel drops are about weight changes, and wherever you've dropped that heel, that's where a majority of your weight is going to be. So if you're dropping the left heel last, then that right foot's ready to do that spank. Same thing on the right side, you're dropping that right heel last, so that left foot's ready to go. Okay, let's put the right side and the left side together. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel. From here, we're leaving off that front part with just the flap, heel, heels, and we're doing just that Rockette step section several times. So you'll go flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel. So that last one, you end with just the spank heel. There's no tip heel on it. Okay, so let's do that new part with just the Rockette steps again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, flap, heel, 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 spank, heel. So you're doing 3 complete ones and most of a 4th one. You're just leaving off, you're ending with that spank heel. You're leaving off the tip heel part. Let's do that one more time, just the 4 at the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, 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 spank, heel, tip, heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel. Okay, let's go back to the beginning of the section with these. Okay, so you have 5, 6, 7, 8, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank heel, tip heel, fall lap, heel, 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 spank